Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here. Today isn't a review of a hair topper, but rather just about my first experience wearing a hair topper. I started wearing a hair topper a little over 3 years ago, and what brought me to it is my androgenic alopecia. And what I was doing is I was trying while my hair was thinning, I was trying different hairstyles. I also had a tinted dry shampoo and hair fibers that I was using almost on a daily basis, especially when I was going to work. And I was getting to the point where it was tedious for every day for me to be using tinted dry shampoo on my scalp and hair fibers. So I started looking into what are the alternatives, and I found hair toppers and I found uniwigs, which is great because now I wear hair toppers all the time. But I was really scared upon buying one and then wearing it because I was self-conscious. What are people going to say? Are they going to know that I'm wearing something? Are they going to think that that's weird that I'm wearing a hairpiece? But what I'm here to tell all of you ladies that are thinking about buying a hair topper is that it's an awesome decision to wear a hair topper. And there's only one question to ask yourself now that I've been wearing hair toppers for the last 3 years. And the question is, do I look better like this or like this? This is the Uniwigs Courtney topper, 16 inches, Remy human hair in Permafrost. So, like this or like the before? If your answer is like mine, which is I look better with a hair topper than without a hair topper, then it's a really simple decision to wear a hair topper or not. One thing that surprised me is that the first day that I wore a hair topper, I wore it into work. And I had been at that job for about a month, so they had seen me with my hair about this length, I was wearing fibers in my hair at the time, to wearing the Bella topper, which in chocolate caramel, which matched my hair color really well. Nobody noticed, or if they did notice, they didn't say anything. And I'm pretty sure the reason for that is I just looked better wearing a hair topper than when I wasn't wearing a hair topper. It's a really simple answer to the question to wear a hair topper or not is this looks better than when I'm not wearing a hair topper and you can see through to my scalp. So rest assured, ladies, the decision is simple. If you have hair loss that is noticeable to you and you believe is noticeable enough that you want to do something about it, you'll look better with a hair topper on. This is the Courtney hair topper, and this is just the one that I happened to choose today for the video. I could have picked any of my other toppers. All of them look better than looking at me with alopecia. It doesn't mean I look bad without a hair topper on. I don't wear hair toppers sometimes when I go out, and I look good too, but it looks better with a hair topper on. So if you're trying to make that decision, go ahead and get one. I guarantee you will not regret it. Thanks everyone. Until next time. Bye.